Yo, what's up guys? This is ENTP Nurture, and in this video we are going to talk about discipline. It is a tough topic to speak about, especially if you are an ENTP like me. This is going to be one of your biggest struggle, at least for me. It is one of mine. The thing with discipline, I sometimes set a goal. You will see yourself failing when you create objective goals and you never hit them. So you have this one goal, you'll do everything but hit this one goal. And there is this resistance that comes when you write a goal, and there is this resistance that comes forth, which is very hard to digest. Like, you don't know what to do, you feel stuck, right? You write a goal, you're not finishing it, you're getting distracted by something else. I think I have this journal for 6 months now, and I am writing goals every day in this journal, and I don't even think I hit them. I almost forget the goals I even write for myself. Oh, I have to do this, this and this. Oh, it's so easy. Video shoot, I was supposed to do on 26th. Today is 27th. One day delayed. Like I have so much to do that I end up doing nothing. And everyone says use the Pomodoro technique to the 20 minutes chunking thing. Just chunk your time. I get it, but I think my biggest problem comes when I get distracted and then I come back. So let's say I'm doing my work, right? Let's say I'm doing programming, or let's say I'm doing computer science. If I get distracted with Facebook, as in my attention just shifts to Facebook and then shifts back to data science, it feels as though I have to again build up the momentum again. So I have to, like from past 2 days, I set like 20 minutes chunks. Okay, in this 20 minutes, high focus, I will just do this computer science thingy, this programming stuff, just programming stuff. It went good, I accomplished more than I expected to, which is surprising for me. But I don't set the 20 minutes chunk, right? I always think, okay, you know what, I'll set this 20 minutes chunk once I am done with this. And that once I'm done with this never comes. You know what I mean? So I end up doing my biggest problem, I would say, is excuses, making excuses. And the problem with my excuses is this: they are perfectly valid. My excuses are perfectly valid. And what that does is it gives me a very hard time in trying to disprove why I shouldn't do this. Like when I want to sleep, my mind just go, dude, you know what, Prem, go to sleep now, because you would need that energy. You don't want to burn out, so sleep is important. Sleep is important is a completely true statement, right? So I should sleep now is a completely valid conclusion, but that ends up in me not doing what I want to do. So I'm not achieving my goals in the end of the day. Every excuse I come up with has a perfectly valid reason, perfectly valid. Like if I write it down, if I put it in front of a tribe, they would probably say, yeah, you know what, that's a valid reason, that's a valid excuse to not do what you're supposed to do. And therein lies the problem. I have a lot of valid excuses, if you know what I mean. So that ends up I think that ends in me just choosing poor decision. That ends in me just having a very poor decisions and choosing poor choices. So that ends in me choosing with poor choices. So that ends with me choosing poor choices. So every time I wake up, I make so many bad decisions, and I know the amount of time I spend, if I could allocate it properly, if I could organize my time properly and stuck with it, I would accomplish so much more. And I know that for a fact. but every time I try to do that, I get distracted, and it's not even funny. You get distracted so often. My current coping mechanism for this problem is just I think I need like a ritual, oh damn, I am derailed, I need to like watch a motivational video, do this very specific actions, and then get back on track. Something like that, some ritual that reprograms my mind, and it goes some program I can just initiate. Okay, program alpha, initiate, boom. Program anti-procrastination, initiate, boom, and you stop procrastinating. That has been my current coping mechanism. I don't know whether it's working or not, but it is very disheartening when you try to do something, you get distracted, then again you do some motivational stuff, pump yourself up, then not do what you're supposed to do, and then get distracted, pump yourself up, get distracted, pump yourself up, get distracted, and there's this constant process. Over time, I do see myself in the upward curve, but in the present moment, I do not see it. I just see me failing. Try, fail, try, fail, try, fail. I don't know, man. I don't know what exactly to do with this. I think so. That's it for this video. It's just like a quick ramble of what I am going through. ENTP and discipline.